Hi guys, this is Lucky Luca, and today we're at the car wash. Look at our car right there. Isn't it cool? Like, it's getting all soapy, but now it's getting water. Isn't that cool? Oh, now this is so cool. It's a little blurry. That's fine. But isn't this cool? Like, this car is so messy. But look at it.
What do you think is going to happen when it gets out?
It's gonna be clean. That's our car right
Yeah.
there if you can't see it.
That's putting fresh water to clean it?
What happened?
It's shut down.
No, why did it actually shut down?
I don't know. Maybe the line's too long? What do you think?
Is this supposed to happen?
Sometimes, but this video is going to get really long, so what do you want to say?
Do you want to come to this car wash? Comment down below if you do.
I think it's called what? Livingston Car Wash?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Alright. Don't forget what? Oh,
Don't forget.
that says Teflon sealing.
Yeah. There's our cup.
Alright?
Look, so if you're a scientist, look at it.
That's like a shower right there.
Yeah, it's like a shower but with a car.
Look at all the water coming down.
Yeah.
Right, and here comes the air dryer.
The air dryer. Oh yeah.
Watch it dry the air.
Wait, why is it hitting
Watch,
the
watch.
car?
Watch it dry the air. It's gonna push all the water off.
What? The air
The
dryer?
vacuum.
Where's the vacuum?
Right there, the blue and red things.
Oh my god.
Alright. So don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
hit that button. Ding-a-ling-a-ling.
Hit that button. and
Oh, that's a
we'll
gumball.
See you next.
Maybe win a chance for a gumball.
No. Goodbye.